All right, so thanks for joining me in today's episode. Today we're going to take a look at Roblox. Roblox is not doing so hot or well right now. Overall, the company's struggling at the moment. So if we go in and just take a look at some of the news happening, it sank about 20%. So looking at what we've got going on is the company basically dropped 20%. So it's falling quite heavily in the hours. So looking at a lot of the other companies and movers, you can see this one's down about $7 or 20%. Apple also down, Microsoft down, Google, IBM, they're all down a little bit. But here's the chart for Roblox. So what you can see is the stock's been trending kind of sideways for a little while, and then just kind of down and kind of crashed there quite a bit. So when we start looking at something like this, this is kind of becomes a little bit dangerous, because what happens is we do have some support here at this level, but unfortunately, if this volume picks up speed, right here, there's a ton of selling pressure. So with this huge sell-off, that becomes a bit of an issue because it could continue into further lower prices. So what you can see happening later on is that if we break this upward trending support line here for now, so here I've got the 2 points and here is the third point coming right into that. If we go through with that, that will create here's our A point, then we've got A to B, B to C, C to D. So you've got kind of the A, B, C, D pattern that will project. Now, in this case, the B to C went sideways or a little bit more this way. And if we project this forward, it could continue down into these lower levels. That could put that stock at, single digits, and that could be an issue or problem. Now, right now, you're not seeing a lot of volume built up yet. It's still kind of just the first day. So what I would do is just, watch that volume closely, because that could tell you if this will continue to progress higher, and that's kind of what you're paying attention to. Overall, you also have resistance right here, right around that $50 range, $45 to $50 range. So that also has been nagging a little bit on the stock and a bit of the problem area zone. So when we start looking at companies like this, they seem attractive and they seem kind of interesting from, hey, it could power higher and there could be a lot of nice sentiment to push these things higher. But unfortunately, the stability behind kind of this, it just wasn't there right now. So looking at what we've got here is a loss per share of 46 cents, loss 45 cent versus 45-cent loss per share expected. So they're still kind of not doing so hot. You've got 65.5 million average daily users. So this looks pretty good. I mean, there's a ton of users, and it's up 25% from earlier. However, the revenue is still not there. So company reported net loss of 282.2 million for the quarter. Now, I know my kids, they will play this here and there sometimes, but it's not something they will play all the time, and we don't also allow game time all the time either. So point being is that these are some things that you have to really balance out for where's the money and revenue coming from. So in either case, as we look into something like this, I think if you're in it for the long haul or you like this stock long, that's fine, but I would wait for about 5-day minimum to see how the reaction is, because this thing could continue to further sell off because one day doesn't make a trend, and that's a pretty significant down move here, and we could idle here for a bit and then get a further move down lower. So people that are bullish on it, I know probably won't like hearing that, but from a normal technical standpoint, that's something to watch for and be aware of. But in any case, would I go long the stock? No, I would not go long right now, right here, but maybe sometime in the future, it could be down at lower levels. Looking at a lot of companies right now today, we've got Roblox, Microsoft, IBM, Cisco, Tesla. So Cisco is one of the few that's kind of up. Everything else is a little bit more red. Even NVIDIA is down almost $19 today. So a lot of struggle here in the companies. So it's a down day, and they're obviously waiting for key inflation data here coming in. So anyway, hope this helps, gives you a little insight on Roblox. Truly appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the week ahead and make it a good one. So thanks and take care. Bye-bye.